Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do task management in Monday.com. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our browser and then search for Monday.com. And then after that, you will be directed here on your workspace or on the main page of Monday.com. So since we want to create a task management workspace, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen. And as you can see right there, I want you to click that and then click add workspace right there. And once you click that, you will be asked to change your workspace name. So you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say for example that we want to change it to team management, and then the privacy, you can keep it open or you can keep it closed. But as you can see right there, closed workspace is only available for enterprises only. So if you're using only the free version, or if your plan is not on enterprise, then unfortunately open is the only available option that you can choose. So after that, after you're done with this, just click add workspace right there. And then as you can see, we have now created a new workspace that we can use to do task management. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen again. And as you can see this, I want you to click this plus icon right here, which is add item to workspace. So once you click that, you will see you can add a new board, a new docs, a dashboard, a form, folder. You can also add apps, and then you can also import data from Excel, Google Sheets, Trello, Facebook ads, and so on. And you can also choose from template center. So for this example, I will choose a template from this center so that I can show you better. So just click template center right there, and then this page will pop up. So you will see a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So some of them are free, some of them are not. But as you can see right there, we have a lot of options that you can choose from. You can search for start from scratch. You can also do marketing, content production, and project management. So this project management will suit our video for today, since we're going to do team management or task management. So project management, we will click on that, and then we will see all the similar template that we can choose so that we can do a task management. So the next thing that we need to do, as you can see right there, you can choose this template right here, maybe this one, or maybe even this one right there. So let's just choose this template right here, right there. As you can see right there, we can use this as our example so that I can show you how to use task management in Monday.com. So once you choose your own template, so you can choose whichever you want in this template right there. You can create your own, you can create you can import. So after you now have this, you will also see all the which app integrates with it, which is this one. So you can see Slack, Jira, Google Drive, Gmail, and also Outlook. Just click this use template right here. So once you click use template, Monday.com will now create the project for us. And as you can see right there, we have now created a project for our task management. So the next thing that we need to do here is to, of course, change the information that it is in here. So what we're going to do is to go here and then just maybe retype or change the thing that you want to change, since we are going to create a team management. So let's just create this one right here. So this is just an example, so you can also type whatever you want in here. And then after that, the next thing that we need to do is you will also see this Gantt right here. Once you click Gantt, you will be directed here in this page. So it is like a calendar of your workspace right here, which you can see. As you can see right there, for January to February, in this template, we have a kick-off meeting. And then within February, we will have a finalized goals. And then for March, that is where the first project will start, and so on. And then if you click the project report right here, you will be directed here. You will see all the list that has been done or has been created if they're still not started, or someone is stuck, or if all the projects is now completed. So this is where you will see all of those. So you can see the project progress, the tasks per person. So you will see the team members who are assigned to that specific field. And then of course for the incomplete tasks, which is as of right now we have 3. So if you click this 3 dots right here on the right screen, we can actually click the full screen, the settings. We could also rename this, and then we could also click duplicate, and then of course we can also delete that. Same goes for this 2 right here. Once you click that, you can also do the same. And then after that, you can also add new task right there. And then you could also add widget. You can search, and of course person, you can search for the person right here. You will see all the person that is in your project or is in your workspace. Then you can also filter out all of this. So as you can see right there, you can filter out the columns, condition, the value. You could also add filter. You could also add new group. Then you could also add switch to quick filters. So let's say for example you're done with this project report right here. So for the main table, this is where you're going to put all the list of what you're going to do with this project. So as you can see right there, we have the to do, the done, not started section. So you will see all the tasks right here. You can change the name, you can even open it. You will see, you can edit the files, you can write an update, as you can see right there. Then for the owner, you can add the owner of this project. So let's say for example for team 1, the owner of the project it's someone. Let's say for example person 1 is in charge in team 1. So you can just search the person 1 in your team and then just add it here. And then also same goes for team 2, also for team 3. So for the owner of team 3, we have person 3. So let's just add them right here so that we can put who is in charge. Also for the collaborators, we can also put it right there. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the status. So this is where we will see if they are already working on it, if they're already done, if they are stuck, or if they're already done. So this is where you will see all the list. What part of project are they getting into now? Are they already done creating team 1? Are they stuck in team 2 or team 3? And then for the timeline, this is where you will see the timeline of the project. Is it going to be a 1 month project? Is it going to be a week project, or is it a yearly project? So if you click that right here, we can change the March. So we can change, let's say for example that we want to change it from March 16 right there, 2023. As you can see right there, the timeline has now changed. So you can also see the priority right here. So you're going to put this priority, let's say for example that this project should be done first instead of this one. So if you want to finish the project first, then I would recommend to set your priority to high or even critical. Or if it is not that much affecting your project management, or it's not really that important, then you can set it to low right there, and then you are now good to go. Then you can also add column right here. So let's say for example that you want to add a text or a drop down or a label or a progress. You can also do that right here. So also same goes for the done, which is right here, as you can see right there. And then let's say for example now that this project is now done. So of course we want to organize our workspace. Then the next thing that we need to do is to drag this icon right here to the bottom, which is in done section. Once you do that, as you can see right there, it is now changed. We have transferred team 1 from to do to done. So you can also do that for this one. So let's say for example they're already done right there, then you can also do that right there. You can just transfer so that you can organize your workspace right here. So if you see, let's say for example that you saw that team 2 is not done yet, so let's put it back here again, and then they will be notified that you have put this back in to-do list, and then they will have to redo it again. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.